Hey there, fellow real estate enthusiasts. Today, I've got some fantastic tips for you on how to create compelling property listings that make potential buyers say, wow. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Capture the best angles. First impressions matter, right? Show off that property's charm by capturing it from its absolute best angles. Highlight the grand front entrance, those unique architectural details that make it stand out, and don't forget to showcase any breathtaking views the property offers. You want to make people stop scrolling and take a closer look. Tip 2. Declutter and stage. A clutter-free space is like a blank canvas for potential buyers. Before snapping those photos, make sure the property is clean and organized. Consider staging it with stylish furniture and tasteful decor to help buyers envision themselves living the dream in that space. A little staging can go a long way. Tip 3. Proper lighting. Lighting can make or break your property's appeal. Natural light is your secret weapon. Time your shoots for the golden hours, and make sure those curtains and blinds are wide open to let that beautiful natural light flood in. Trust me, it'll make your property shine. If you found these nuggets of wisdom helpful, don't forget to show some love with a double tap and hit that follow button for more real estate magic.